Hello guys, this is Super IoT here with a bit of a different. So yeah, I got a bad news for you if you like the Mindsnap server video. And I'm gonna take a bit of a pause on that because yeah, the world got deleted. Yeah. But I decided to just start an adventure series. I'm gonna play this adventure map. It's called, oh god, what is it called? Exciting the Lab for 1.4.5. So here are the rules. Don't place blocks unless told otherwise. Don't break blocks unless told otherwise. You can break clay. And cracked bricks conceal secrets. Gotta remember that, that's important. If you find blocks in chests, don't place them unless you are sure about you can't get them back. Diamond blocks denote super secrets. Follow them. There is one per chapter, giving a total of 4. Question mark. Only place button or levers on gold blocks. Yeah, by the way, I'm playing with a texture pack, if you didn't notice that. Really cool texture pack. What's it called? Wayukian pack. Survived the apocalypse. It's a really cool texture pack. I really like it. So we have to play on peaceful. Peaceful. Don't rage quit. Oh. Well, I'm sorry, Shine. I have failed. Have fun. Diamonds are your score. Okay. Whoa. Oh, okay. So let's get into this house here. After being chased by creepers, you find a shelter. There seems to be a button urging you to press it. Hi button, I'm pressing you. Is anything here? Chest. Got a diamond, yay. No. I'm so stupid. This floor is going to fall. Let's step on it and press it again. Okay. I remember. You can't break it. T flip-flop. Let's keep the clay in case we need it. After escaping the cell, you look for a way out. Your only choice is to follow this corridor. They really should fix this bug. It's really annoying. Let's try to do this. I'm a parkour penguin. You, nobody can do that. Lever. I flipped it. Oh shit. That's probably a faster way. Do you jump down? Oh yeah, there's something in this door. Let's go in here. This slide is off. This slide is off. This slide is off. Oh, we got a bow and some arrows. That's cool. Gotta keep our inventory sorted. What's this? Oh, I need to shoot it. I pressed all the 4 of the blue. Like a pro. See, I'm through. Oh. Let's just press it. Okay. The structure seems to react to your presence. Yeah, dang it. You can't get back, there's water there. If I forget my code, I can find clues throughout my lab. I will have to make it hard to assess just in case. There's 6 digits in the code. Oh, dang it, and that's to open this door. Shit. Even on peaceful we can sprint. Oh, okay. So, oops, if I flip this, then this here flips, flip it again, and this flips. Okay. Oh, we're gonna have to solve this. Start. So we have to flip the blue one. There. Now it goes here, this way. We're gonna have to flip the orange one. Where is the orange one? There it is. And we're gonna have to flip the purple one. That goes all the way to the... Oh, we're done. See, work. The pink one, dang it. Oh, I forgot the pink one. We are genius. One is this one. Let's run back and press it. One. Sorry about that, my father gave me a surprise with some bread. Number one is this one. And yeah, let's keep going through this hallway. Oh, there's a clay block. He seems to have some bot switches in this map. Bin. Control. Q. Number 3. Where's number 2? Did I miss something? Number 2 is down there. Right hand corner. Am I right? Right hand corner. If you face it this way, it's this one down there. Let's quickly run back. Oh, let's check the number 3 as well. Please just be the same one. Please be the same one. Okay, it's the next inside of beside of it. So the number 3, no, 2 is this one and 3 is this one. Okay. And now that's done. So let's just head back there. My throat is dry. 3 is here. Hope you still have your arrows. Yeah. Test our bad bone skills. Oh, got it. Got it. Got it. And got it. Before. Yeah, so it's the same one as number 1. Let's just do that. Running up the stairs. Whoosh. There. Number 4 is this one. It's kind of like, what's it called, clever to have it on the floor because you don't know how it's going to turn. But I think it's turning like this, like you run it this way, so it's done. Don't trust these pressure plates. Oh, let's press them down. Lights. Bats. He's sleeping. Redstone? Yeah, give me the redstone. 1 redstone. Oh, so there's the wire. It's in between every block. Oh, so we have to connect it all. Okay, not just do. Oh, I have to make it go all the way. Oh, okay. So it will open. We found some more clay. Let's break that. We can take a bit of damage, we're not peaceful. Another redstone and a sign. Yay! Wow, we have to find the quite a bit of the redstone. Like this. Nothing down there. We have to still though search for, what's it called? The diamonds on the way. This is the only thing. Okay. Oh, there's a clay block in that corner as well. Then let's break that. I'm not gonna stand on top of it. There's a clay down there, like really sneaky. Oh, okay. Number 5 is that one. And I found another redstone. Check for diamonds. Let's check for diamonds. Diamonds. 5 is that one. We have to remember that. Bottom, left, right. Bottom, left, right. Have to remember that. And we got another redstone. Bottom, left, right. Bottom, left, right. There. Now we're just gonna quickly run back and type in the bottom, left, right. I think I might maybe complete this map in one episode. One bloody episode. That would be awful. Now we only need one more key. Yes! Only one more. Only one more. Okay. One redstone and one more through this door. I got a feel. Oh, it's down there. Oh, it's up there. Oh, okay. Give it. I found the last redstone. What's my Skype saying? Yeah, we did about 2 hours of recording earlier and we had to delete it all because we lost our base in our survival. That's bad. Yeah, we were like, not basically like just having a hidey hole, as always. When you start out, you just usually make a hidey hole. And I went out to hunt for food, and at the night time, dumb thing, I know. And like, yeah, they were just outside the cave entrance. There were 2 creepers and a zombie. They saw me and they just ran after me like crazy. And basically, they came into our cave. We spammed cobblestone everywhere to like keep them away and stuff. And again, I got disturbed for my little brother saying it's dinner time. So yeah, I have to end it soon. Wow. But yeah, they like were into our cave and we were trying to kill them without exploding everything and stuff, and kind of funny. It was kind of funny. He's gonna upload it, so stay tuned for it from his channel. No! Are you kidding me? Another parkour. Oh. Wow. Dang it. Well, my keyboard is really loud right now. Fuck. What's up with this middle board? It's really taking me down. Yes! I'm a parkour genius! I'm a parkour genius! I'm a parkour genius! What? What the hell, mate? What the hell? So where do I begin? This one? Jump over there. Oh, there. Up there. Yeah, this parkour part is going to be the last in this episode. Sorry for a short one, but hey, it's dinner time. You gotta eat to keep fresh and sleep. I'm lazy in this lab. I wanna scream so. Oh, fuck me sideways. Bloody it, man. What the hell? Oh, up here. I got that shift key. Dang it. Ugh, this is annoying. This is annoying. Shift key, why are you taking me down? Is that glass? Yeah. Oh. Shit. I didn't do it. I didn't do it. The glass pane was asking for it. It was asking for it. This is a really fun so far. Fuck me sideways. Why do I always jump so far? My legs are too strong. Say and point to the boots. My legs are too strong. Never noticed that in the background there is awesome. I can actually see my character now. Because the normal one is just black behind. My skin is mostly black. Where's my penguin? Have you seen a white penguin? No. Have you seen a pink penguin? Club penguin, play it. It's a bit, it's not real fun, but you know, YOLO. Why did I say this is start getting really annoying. My keyboard is really annoying me. Fuck. I'm sure I can't get these blocks back. Can I turn it back in the clay? No. With all that jumping around, I've forgotten the last digit. I know it's one on the top row. I wonder which one. That one. I can do it. Hey, how the fuck am I supposed to get back? Oh, okay. Didn't see it, didn't see it. Yeah, let's go all the way back. All the way back, I say. Man, so much parkour. I wonder if he even completed it. Yeah. So which one? Which bloody one? Yes! We pressed the red one. We pressed the red one. Oh, okay. The tunnels only go deeper, but there looks to be no other way to go. Hopefully, there will be a way out further on. Ooh, what you gonna get? What you gonna get?